The 777 flight crew oxygen system is a gaseous system similar to those on other Boeing airplanes. Let's look at how to check the status of the flight crew oxygen system. Display the status display. Flight crew oxygen pressure displays here. A blank oxygen pressure display indicates that a pressure signal is not present or the signal is invalid. If pressure in the crew oxygen system drops below a predetermined level, the crew oxygen low advisory message displays on the ICAS. This advisory message is for crew awareness. Passenger oxygen is provided by individual chemical oxygen generators located in the passenger service unit above each seat group. Passenger oxygen is also available at each flight attendant seat location and at each lavatory throughout the cabin. Passenger oxygen masks deploy automatically if cabin altitude reaches approximately 13,500 feet. The passenger oxygen masks can also be deployed manually from the flight deck. Deploy. To intentionally activate the system, raise the switch guard and push the passenger oxygen switch. Activate the passenger oxygen system. Pulling on one mask activates all masks in the unit. If a passenger oxygen mask compartment fails to open as commanded, inserting a small object such as a pen or a hairpin into this hole releases the door. The door opens and all oxygen masks deploy. The passenger oxygen on advisory message appears when the passenger oxygen masks automatically deploy or if activated by the passenger oxygen switch on the flight deck. The passenger oxygen on advisory message is for crew awareness. The